Alright, we got a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. .7 liter V8. We're going to be changing the cabin air filter. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Alright, pop your glove box open. You got a black string hanging right here. You're going to grab it and you're going to pull forward, pop it out, and then you can let that string go. And you got two tabs right here, 1, 2. You're going to squeeze that glove box in, pop them out. Glove box comes off. There's your cabin air filter right there. Take the cover off, pop it off. Got these two tabs right here. Lock on. Grab your old filter, check your airflow going down. Make sure when you put the new one in, arrows are pointing the same way. Grab the new one. Slide it in. Take your cover. A tab in the middle right here, and a tab on here. 1, 2, clicks in. Alright, and then your glove box just sits on these 3 little black plastic tabs. Alright, you're gonna grab this string, pull it out, take your glove box, set it on there, pop those in. Alright. And you're going to pop your 2 tabs in. And take your black string, put it in a little hole, slide it in, and we're done. 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee cabin air filter. YouTube Mechanics, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.